Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to use the Smart Kitchen cabinet with accessories. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, click into our custom kitchen cabinet. Alright, so right over here, you can see the Smart Kitchen cabinet function. So click right onto it. Next thing you want to do is select the space. Alright, so over here and click next step. Alright, so over here we have different types of templates, and for example, if I like this, I can just click OK and then click on Generate Scheme. And over here we have different types of placement for our kitchen cabinet. So if let's say I like this, I can just click and apply. You may also select to either decorate your kitchen with or without accessories by ticking this. And there you have it. So this is how to use the Smart Kitchen cabinet with accessories. Good luck trying, guys.